Hi everyone and welcome to Display Repair. Driving is one of the most widely used and widespread skills in the world. People mostly like to drive, but in a large number of cases they simply do not know how. This can then lead to all kinds of damage to the car. Among the most common damages is to the engine. This video will show you the 5 worst driving habits that seriously damage the engine or outright destroy it. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. One of the worst things you can do is to drive under high revs all the time. Revving up here and there is good for the engine, but if you like to keep the pedal to the metal all the time, you will soon ruin even a new engine. While under high revs, the engine is under strain, every vital component is put to maximum load, and driving like this is just begging for a problem and breakdowns. This especially goes for higher mileage engines that in most cases cannot take this kind of punishment. Also, high revving will seriously increase oil and fuel consumption. Opposite to the previous bad habit is driving with low revs all the time. Low revs are better for fuel consumption, but on the other hand, it can cause a different kind of problems. Low revs and bogging the engine down all the time will cause clogs and carbon buildups in various valves and filters, like the DPF filter, the EGR valve, the throttle body, and else. It can also damage the engine in the long run since the inner lubrication is weaker. The next bad habit is one that lots of people practice even if they have the opportunity for a full gas tank, and that is driving on a low fuel level all the time. In most cases the gas tank is full 10% at best. Well, know this. On most modern cars the fuel pump is submerged inside the gas tank. This way the fuel pump is more efficient, but also the gas serves as a sort of coolant for the pump. So with a low fuel level, the pump is left dry, it can overheat and simply stop working at a moment's notice, and the car will stop immediately. One more common bad habit is a cold start. A cold start means that, for instance, during winter, you do not wait for the engine to warm up once you start it, but start driving immediately. Or even worse, when you get on the road, you rev up the engine immediately. This puts enormous stress on the engine, especially in very low temperatures. There is almost no inner lubrication and you can seriously damage the engine. The final bad habit on this list is something that has doomed good engines thousands of times. That is ignoring the warning lights on the dashboard, 2 lights in particular, the oil warning light and the coolant warning light. When any of these 2 light up on the dashboard, it means big trouble and big engine damage. But in lots of cases, believe it or not, people simply ignore this warning light, or they simply do not notice. They do not immediately stop the car when they appear. Then the engine overheats and the next stop is an engine overhaul or a new engine. If you want to keep your engine in a good and long-lasting condition, take the time to learn some things about it. Even knowing the basics about the engine will show you what to avoid and why some things lead to big problems. Otherwise, if you continue to turn a blind eye to these habits and you continue to practice them, you'll run even a new engine into the ground very soon. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.